Hello and welcome to another video walk around with myself, Elisa, here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton, and today we'll be taking a look at the 2018 Toyota RAV4 all-wheel drive XLE. So this is a 4-door, 5-passenger all-wheel drive SUV, and the color is called Galactic Aqua Mica. Under the hood, you'll find a 2.5-liter inline 4-cylinder engine, and you'll be riding on top of 17-inch alloy wheels. Now, some of your features include your front fog lamps, you have your rear vision camera, and you also have rear collision and rear cross traffic alert, but there's lots happening on the inside as well, so why don't we hop on in and take a look at your interior features. Helping you into your RAV is this handy dandy Toyota Smart Key. So on your fob you have your lock, your unlock, your power lift gate, and your panic button. Pushing the unlock button once will unlock the front door, and pushing it twice will unlock all 4 and your hatchback. And you can see there that you do have your side view mirror signal indicators. That's really great for heavy traffic, or if you're traveling on the highway, people can see what you're about to do. You also have another safety feature just there if you can make it out. You have your side blind zone alert. That comes with your Toyota Safety Sens as well. Now, just gonna lock this back up here for you because it's a proximity key. We're not gonna need these. We're just gonna place these right in your pocket. And I'm gonna put my hand on the handle. I'm not sure if you can hear that beep, but it did unlock automatically for me. So really nice, you don't have to fumble with your keys in your bag or in your pocket. Lots of room to get in and out. You do have some storage here on the driver's side door along with a cup holder. You have your power windows and your locks, and you have this great insert here, this fiberglass insert. It's absolutely gorgeous and it adds a lot of character to the interior. Your power mirrors are situated just to the left of your steering wheel, along with your interior lighting adjustment. You have your lane departure warning, your heated steering wheel, your rear differential, your differential and your power lift gate. And then moving a little bit further in there, you do have your 2 sets of floor mats, including your all-weather floor mats to keep your vehicle really nice and clean. And then you have your power adjustable driver's seat, so lots of different options there to get you comfortable, which won't be hard in this nice plush interior. Love the interior of the RAV. Moving a little bit further up, you do have your power tilt and slide sunroof for those gorgeous Alberta summer days that we all know and love. And I'm just gonna hop in here and we'll take a look. We're going to start it up for you. Again, it's proximity key, so we're not going to need to take the keys out. Start that up just like that. Really beautiful display, nice ambient lighting. Moving a bit further back here, you have your leather wrapped steering wheel, really comfortable, adds again a little bit of luxury to your drive. And then you do have all of the mounted controls that you're going to want. You have your volume control here, along with your music selection buttons and your hands-free calling, your mode changer, and your voice command there on the left. And on the right-hand side, you have your center information display menu button. So this is going to give you all of your settings for your lane departure alert, your pre-collision system, all of your Toyota Safety Sense features. It's also going to give you all of the information that you would like to know about your vehicle, including your fuel efficiency, your eco indicator, things like that. Lots of really cool things just with the touch of a few buttons there. Here is your dynamic radar cruise control. That's going to work in conjunction with your cruise control just there. So this is going to allow you to set the distance that you'd like to maintain to the vehicle ahead of you when you're traveling on the highway. Really great for those highway drivers. Taking a look at the audio entertainment system now, we do have everything that you're going to want for your music. You have your AM, FM radio, you have your CD player still, your USB and your audio input, and then you have your audio, your Bluetooth audio, which gives you your hands-free calling as well, which is just here. And then within your car app, you have again, your trip information, so it's going to give you your average speed. You can take a look at your driving habits there, or somebody else's driving habits if you're using it as a family vehicle and we have a new driver in the house. So taking a look right down here is your dual zone climate control. That's really handy if somebody's running a little warmer or cooler than yourself. Really nice to have. And then just under there is your 2 different driving modes. You have your heated seats for your driver and your passenger. You have your windshield wiper defrost, which is a great handy feature to have. And then here is your USB and your audio input, and you have a 12-volt DC plug-in there just in case you have some other devices that you would like to charge. Moving a little bit further back, again, you have that sport mode. Super fun to drive the RAV4 that way. And then right here is your double-decker center console. Oops. Right there, so you can fit some larger items in the bottom and some smaller items just at the top. And a couple more things to show you here. You do have a nice big glove box, carries all of your manuals that you're going to need. And then there's this great cutout here, and I love this cutout because it allows for your passenger to have an accessible place to put some smaller items, so that's really nice as well. So lots of really great stuff happening in the front of the RAV. Why don't we head on back and take a look at cargo. Taking a look at the back of your RAV now, lots going on back here as well. You do have that rear windshield wiper for that unpredictable Alberta weather. You also have your rear windshield defrost. And as I had mentioned before, you have your power lift gate. So we're just going to open this up here and take a look at the cargo area. Now, one of the things I love about the RAV is the amount of cargo space in here. So lots and lots of room. You also have the accessory of a cargo cover. So this you can pull out. Gives you a little bit of privacy on those big shopping trips. Nobody can see in, and it's really handy to have, and it's very easy to use, tucks away nicely. And right under here is your spare tire with all of the tools and jacks you're going to need. You know, gosh forbid anything happen to you while you're on the road, but if it does, you do have that spare tire to get you back to safety. And I'm just gonna remove the tonneau cover and put those back seats down so you can see just how much cargo space you have. So there's the first seat down, and a nice thing about that 60-40 split is that you can still carry something a little bit longer and still fit two people in the back seat comfortably. And there you have your second seat down, so everything lays nice and flat. And another great thing is your cargo cover tucks in nicely right underneath here, so you can carry it with you. You don't have to store it in your garage or in your apartment or anything like that. And once you're all finished putting in all of your gear, you can either use your fob or you can use this button here, and that power lift gate will come down automatically for you. And we'll give you a nice view of the back of your RAV4. Giving you a final look then of the 2018 Toyota RAV4 all-wheel drive XLE. You can also see on the top there that you have your roof side rails just in case you want to add some extra cargo space, and you have some tinted windows in the back to give your passengers just a bit of extra privacy. Now there's lots happening that I didn't get a chance to go through on this brief walk around, so come on in, take it for a test drive, ask a lot of questions. We're here to help. We're very easy to find. We're on the corner of 137th Avenue and St. Albert Trail. We're here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. Thank you for watching, and until we see you, drive safe.